Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off location services on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. Next, tap on Location Services. Then tap on Location Services. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. You can tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And it said here, Location Services uses GPS, Bluetooth, and crowdsource Wi-Fi hotspot and cell tower locations to determine your approximate location. And that's it. Once it is turned on, other apps can access your location. You can see here below all the apps that is using your location. You can tap on it and then you can choose to allow, you can grant or deny apps access to your location. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.